Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I talk about the latest trends in tech, AI, and the software development area. So, if this is something is an area of interest, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today in this video, I'm going to show how you could build. In fact, I created this full stack web apps for an aspiring celebrity in just 2 minutes. Believe me, just by providing a single prompt, the generative AI based tools create this nice looking web apps for me. So today what I'm going to show you is two different tool sets. One is Lovable.dev and the second one is called as Replit. Both generate stunning responsive web apps that could be deployed, integrated with any cloud, any database technologies without writing any code from scratch. So let's dive in. What I'm going to do is that I'll open say first lovable.dev. This is a nice AI powered software development tool that transforms natural language prompts into a fully functional application. So let me give an idea on the prompt box around what I wanted to create and see the uh, how the GenAI tool create the web apps. So so from a requirement perspective, the digital albums I wanted to create by this piece of GenAI tool is to create a responsive web applications that should showcase all the images in an elegant layout. The number one features what I need is the applications need to be responsive, premium lookings in an photo grid layouts. That should add up to different screen size and device. Right? That's responsive. The second one is users should be able to click on a photo to view it on a larger size, displaying the basic details such as the photo, titles, descriptions, and date. The third requirement is the application should allow users to navigate between photo easily with navigations controls like next, previous buttons. And the fourth one I giving to AI is that uh, build and share features because if someone wanted to, or the user of the system wanted to share a photo to certain brand agency, could just quickly share through WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or anything else. And the last not the least is to have a contact us so that by any chance if a brand agency see the pages you wanted to contact. Now the storage of this photo, I'm just specifically telling that get those photos from a Azure Blob Storage container, which should be accessed by a shared access signatures. Now, for those who do not know what is Azure Blob Storage, it's a cloud storage solutions from Microsoft that allows developers to store and manage large amount of structured, unstructured data like images, videos, and documents. In our case, the celebrity wanted to upload all their photos to a Azure Blob Storage, and the digital albums what we are going to create through this tool will fetch the images directly from the Azure Blob containers using the SASL URL and ensuring secure control access within the credentials in the app. So with these requirements, let me hit the enter button and see how this AI agent as a developer understands this requirement and write a software for me. While the agentic software engineers here is in process of creating the applications for me, if you're wondering how a techie like me got a connects to this aspiring celebrity, let me tell you that the celebrity in this video is none other than my wife, my life partner. This morning, it is like we are having in conversations about how sending photos to various brand agency through WhatsApps or email simply does not work in her industry, and she needed an app primarily. But of course, I do not have days or weeks to build this, right? So even then, I thought, what if I could delegate this piece of works to AI agents, and could it do it for me? And this is the inspiration of this video, and that is when I found this tool called Lovable.dev. With just one or two simple prompts, I built this whole full stack app in a minutes per hour. Now you can see how the tools start writing code and deploying the applications for me. In fact, the preview as well. I can further give instructions in terms of the look and feel if I have some certain color schemes preference, or maybe adding some new features. But with interest of time of this video, I would say that maybe a later part, if you demand, I will share a complete, very detailed video in terms of the key capabilities of building an enterprise apps using such tools. Now, couple of things. One thing is that the code which has been generated by this tool is not a black box like what today's low code and no code does, right? Like Power Apps. I can think this, it provide you all the project artifacts. You could link those things into your Git or Azure DevOps, and so that you could change it when I need it, and otherwise you could do that from prompt as well. Now, similar things you can achieve using a tool called Replits. Again, this is a full-fledged Gen AI tool for developers to build a web apps. Let me show you that as well. So let me open the browser and give the same set of instructions to see what exactly it does. Again, this too has a similar features like hosting to its own cloud versus to your enterprise cloud or on-premise. Uh, with both interactions with the tool, I somehow feel that Replit seems more mature. But again, this is my opinion. I'm in too early stage to opine about this. So now, if you're thinking if this is what the future of AI in software development is, then yes. Generative AI is rapidly shifting from an assistive tool like GitHubs to copilots to a fully autonomous software development powerhouse. In the next 3 to 5 years, we can expect the AI industry to dominate most aspects of coding and automating repetitive tasks like designing forms, JavaScripts, database validations, database designs, and other things, which would let the developers to focus more around strategy and architecture. The second thing is that it is going to accelerate the software development life cycles from years to months to minutes, years to months to days to, in fact, minute as well. Now, with tools like Lovable.dev and Replit, which are just the starting point of these revolutions, we will witness a lot of such tools which would be dominating the market, which would primarily would designs to build, deploy, and refine applications within a minimal human inputs. So whether you are a developers, architects, business analyst, or a business owner looking to build an app, then absolutely AI-powered development tools possibly would dominate and will do that for you in next 3 to 5 years down the line. All right, if you find this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech contents. Let me know in the comment sections what AI-powered development tools are you most excited about. Thank you very much.